Hello, friends. In 2026, AI software is transforming how we work on our PCs. In this video, I'll show you the best AI software for Windows that can boost productivity, improve editing, and keep your system optimized. Watch till the end to find the best tool for your needs. Number 1. ChatGPT, all-in-one AI assistant. Use: writing, coding, learning, ideas. Why it's powerful: content and script writing, coding help and problem solving, study and research support. Best for students, creators, professionals. Number 2. Grammarly AI, smart writing assistant. Use: error-free professional writing. Key features: grammar and spelling correction, tone improvement for emails, AI-powered suggestions. Best for bloggers, office work, freelancers. Number 3. Topaz AI, photo and video enhancement. Use: improve image and video quality. Why it's popular in 2026: upscale low-quality videos, enhance old or blurry photos, remove noise using AI. Best for video editors, YouTubers. Number 4. iObit AI software, PC optimization and security. Use: speed up and protect your PC. Features: AI-based system optimization, automatic software updates, improved PC security. Best for Windows PC users. Number 5. Canva AI, easy design tool use. Thumbnails, posters, social media AI tools included. Text-to-image generator, magic design templates, background remover. Best for content creators and marketers. Final verdict: best AI tools for 2026. All-in-one AI, ChatGPT. Writing, Grammarly AI. Editing, Topaz AI. PC optimization, iObit AI. Design, Canva AI. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment your favorite AI tool. Stay tuned for more AI tools, software reviews, and giveaways.